here. Should have brought my ISF today. Man, whose car is this? This thing's clean. I love this color. This car looks so clean. What if I wrap my M3 this color and it matched the ISF? That'd be so sick to park both of them next to each other. The M3 and the ISF. This thing looks really good though. I really like it. I've thought about wrapping this color. We'll see. Got an M4 GTS here. It looks really good. I like their front lips a lot too. Man, this roll cage is sick. From the factory. These cars are so sick. This has to be my favorite car here. I don't know about the wing, it's a little big. This thing is freaking massive. This thing is so sick though. I've never seen these wheels before. If you guys know what wheels these are, let me know. These are sick. You usually see everyone on T's, but man, these are really nice. Also, this is the color I really want to do my F80 wheels, the Titan 7s. Man, I would bet that the Honda is faster than the Supra, 100%. Man, this thing is clean. This thing's so sick. This color is beautiful. I really like it. It's a really nice setup. I'm not a Honda fan, but man, you gotta appreciate a nice build when you see one. It's clean. I really want this hood. Man, I really like the M2. What do you guys think about them? If I were to get a coupe, it'd be this one for sure. M2 comp. Man, I will say Alpine white is such a basic color. This is like the 5th Alpine white, maybe 6th that I've seen. Almost every M here is Alpine white. I think it's time for a wrap, guys. Yeah, this thing is clean. I think it's a Laguna Seca E46. Another F80. This is Spencer Burke right here. The only Ford I'd ever buy. So sick. Just always have a soft spot for Evos. I like this one. Very clean. This one's supercharged. It's one of the baddest ISFs out there. You can see the supercharger right here, the intercooler. This guy really tracks his car. Nice to see it. Got the F gang out here. Looking clean.
True recovery. Okay.
Alright guys, car channel, just not getting enough views. We're gonna turn this into a cooking channel. Got some breakfast sausage, cream cheese, jalapenos, bacon, barbecue sauce. Making some poppers. These are about to be fire, guys. I freaking love these. Ooh, such a nice night out today. Got a little fire pit, not on right now. Cannot wait. Let these sit for a little bit. It's gonna be bomb. I hope this is making you guys hungry. If this don't deserve a like and a subscribe, I don't know what does. You want one too? Perfect way to end the night.
Power shots exchanged. I'm not sure if that dropped him.